Find VW. Volkswagen. Happy Gilmore. VW. All right, well, W first off is a midpoint because these two are congruent. V is also a midpoint because these two are congruent, which tells me that this is a mid-segment. VW is a mid-segment. By definition, a mid-segment is half of the base of a triangle. So VW is half of NL. So VW was x plus 15. That's going to equal 1/2 of NL, which is x plus 21. Now it's just an equation with distributed property x on both sides. So let's distribute out the 1/2. That gives me x plus 15. That part hasn't changed. Half of x is 1/2 x. And half of 21 is 21 over 2. Okay, you could put 10.5, you could put 10.5. I'm keeping it as 21 over 2. I have a feeling that's just going to be the best for us. You'll see why. Now I have x on the left and half x on the right. Let's get rid of the half x on the right by subtracting 1/2 x from both sides. 1/2 x. 1 whole x minus 1/2 x is 1/2 x. Drop down the plus 15. Drop down the equals. You're gone. Drop down the 21 over 2. Now what I'm going to do while I'm at it is I'm going to quick replace this with this 15. I almost said 21. I got 21 on the mind. What was that? 15. I'm going to turn 15 into 30 over 2. Because my next step is to subtract 15 or 30 over 2 from both sides. Where did I get 30 over 2? Because 15 divided by or multiplied by 2 over 2 is 30 over 2. Just a little bit of multiplication. So I'm going to subtract 30 over 2 from both sides. Subtract 30 over 2 from both sides. Cross you out. Drop down the 1/2 x equals 21 over 2 minus 30 over 2 has me subtracting the numerator, so negative 9, but keeping the denominator over 2. My final step is rather than divide both sides by 1/2, multiply both sides by its reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 over 1, which is the same as 2. That crosses these out. X is now alone on the left. Negative 9 over 2 times 2 has me cross out the 2's and leaves me with just the negative 9. Now my job here is to find VW. X is negative 9. Oh, the temptation to circle x is negative 9 is there, but that's not what I'm supposed to do. Now that I know that VW is x plus 15 and x is negative 9, I do negative 9 plus 15, which gives me 6. So VW is 6. And we're done. And you might be thinking, so then what's the point of MN? There was no point of MN. It's just there. So thanks. Thanks for nothing, MN. Thanks for nothing.